Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and quick review of the Google Pixel 4a. Before we start ripping into the box, if you are a new subscriber or you have been watching my videos before now, please hit that subscribe button as it helps me a lot, and it will also help if you smash that thumbs up button. Thank you. Let's take a look around the box, and on the front here you have a picture of the phone, the Google logo, and Pixel 4a there obviously. On the right side of the box you have the right side of the phone showing that colored button there. Unfortunately on the left side we don't have the left side of the phone, but we have Google inscription. And on the bottom of the phone we have the Pixel 4a 5.8 inches 128 gigs, just black, and of course the model number. And at the back we have the Team Pixel, and we have the pull tabs where we are going to open the box from. Ooh, that's nice. That felt so good. Now let's take this off. Ooh, and we are greeted with that matte black finish Pixel there. Let's take this out for a second. Drop it over here. And in the box, ooh, blue. So we have some literature and the SIM ejector tool. Set this aside. We have our charging brick. By the way, this is a 5V 3A charging brick. And also we have a USB cable here, Type C to Type C, as you can see. And yes, that's a Type A to Type C adapter. So that's about everything in the box. Now let's have the ceremonial peeling of the plastic, but of course in front of the mic. I hope that sounded as good as I intended. If not, big fail. And of course I got the best model available, which has the Snapdragon 730G CPU, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs storage, and of course this is in the just black color. Yeah, and that's because this is the only model you can get. It's just one model, one specification, one color, everything is the same. If you are buying a Pixel 4a, you are buying this model because there's only one model and only one color, so be aware of that. Now let's take a look around the device. You can see that matte black finish. On the right here you have that colored power button, very clicky. On the left here we have nothing but the SIM card tray. And aren't you glad to see a headphone jack up there? You have the mic here, and at the bottom we have the speakers and of course the Type C port. So I'm done setting up the device, and there it is. You have the 8 megapixel punch hole camera there. It does feel fluid enough for a mid-range phone, and I guess the 730G is not so bad. And also it has only that 60Hz display. At that price point, $350, you can't really complain. And obviously the reason why anybody buys a Pixel is for the camera. Well, that's why I bought it. So I've got Eric here, and I'll just launch that camera real quick. Allow sure. And for comparison, I have my Pixel 3 here, regular 3, not the 3a. Now some size comparison with the regular Pixel 3. The Pixel 3 is slightly taller, as you can see up there, ever so slightly taller, and they have just slightly different colored buttons there. Really nice. I like that touch, the colored power buttons. Now comparing to the size of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, ooh, basically looks like its child, but yes, obviously as expected. Thickness is about the same, but then iPhone 11 Pro Max loses because it doesn't have a colored power button. Yeah, if you have this device, definitely watch out for my next video. I'll be reviewing a lot of cases for this device, especially this one right here. So anyways guys, that's been the video unboxing and quick review of the Pixel 4a. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It helps me a lot. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.